Hey, what's up, HVAC Control Pro? Eric Stromquist here with Stromquist Company and ControlTrends.com. Well, I'm finishing up some editing on the final videos that we shot at the Ibicon, Rocom Ibicon show in Nashville. Been following the channel for a while. You know, we did extensive coverage there. And today's video is going to be another great video. We caught up with Monica McMahon and Grace Young, the daughter of Jim Young, at the Optico booth. And Optico's got 3 products that if you're in the smart building controls business, you're gonna wanna know about. So definitely watch this video and check that out. You can tell it's getting near the end of the show here. I'm getting a little goofy, a little silly with the interview with Monica and Grace, but hey, you know, that kind of happens as the show begins to wind down. I think we got about 4 or 5 more interviews, product reviews we'll be posting this week. If you have not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do. At last looked at it, we were 1 subscriber away from 10,000 people. So we really appreciate the support from the channel. And reach out in comments, let me know if there are any videos you want to see, and we really do appreciate you. Okay, so relax and enjoy the video. All right, here we go. Eric Stromquist at Ibicon, Realcomm 2019. I'm here at the Optico booth. As Ken Smyers is going, we all go to Optico, Optico, Optico. Yes, I'm here with Monica
McMahon.
I'm here with Monica McMahon and Grace Young. So, wow, guys, thanks for taking a few minutes to speak with us.
Thanks for talking to us. We're always excited to see you guys at Control Trends.
Yeah, and so we're gonna sing the outro song after. So get your voice on. The words are "We all go to Optico."
I've lost it from this week.
You've lost from this. Okay. So Grace Young. Now that's an interesting name. There's a guy by the name of Jim Young.
Young, I think.
Yeah. Any relation to Jim Young and Janice Young?
I mean, I might know him. I've lived in his house for 21 years now, so he is my dad.
This is one of Jim's 2 daughters, and man, what a pleasure. You know, it's just great to have you. And you were working part-time with Optico.
Yes, I am.
While you're going to college.
Why, I go to school up in Vancouver, and about a year ago, Optico messaged me, and they're like, hey, we want a part-time worker. Do you want to do some work for us? And I said, of course.
Well, that's absolutely amazing. Now, just so you know, I'm going to be competing with you for this young lady's talents because we're going to work a deal where she's going to help me with my social media.
All right,
you down with that?
We're going to put up a fight.
Oh, we're going to fight over Grace. This could be good. So stay tuned. After we're through talking, you'll get to watch the fight over Grace. So, but, you know, Optico, you guys do so many great things. Micah, how about just for our community who might not have seen some of the previous videos, sort of walk me about what Optico does.
Yeah, so we do 2 different things. We are the fiber backbone of a network, so all of your new IP devices need to go on some kind of network. Instead of throwing them on IT and fighting with the IT team all the time, put them on your own network, put them on an Optico network. And then the other side of it is BACnet analytics, so looking at what's on your network. And brand new at this show, we're really excited. We are looking at the devices and helping you build out your device list because as we know in this world, it's really important to be cyber secure. It's really important to know what you have. And so we're helping you build up that list, tell you what devices that you have, what's active, what hasn't talked in a while, and help you with the first rule of cybersecurity.
Which is know your stuff, right?
Know your assets.
Know your assets. And I tell you what, it's so cool because you guys do that automatically. Now, from my limited experience, so you guys correct me if I get this wrong, one of the really cool things about Optico, and those of you out there who've worked with BACnet go, as long as BACnet is working, everything is good. But what if they stop communicating, right?
Yeah, you just go reset it and cross your fingers.
That's what I typically do. And what do you do when your BACnet network doesn't work? So we go to Optico.
We go to Optico.
There you go. And the reason we go to Optico is because you guys got a cool BACnet analyzer. I mean, that was where we first got introduced to you guys. It makes troubleshooting the network very, very easy because you can exactly see what's going on. You identify the problem quickly, which basically means if you go to Optico, your network stays down less, right?
Yeah, exactly. And you don't get a headache from banging your head against the wall. So that's always a good bonus too.
Yeah, I used to have hair when I troubleshot a BACnet network, and you bang. It's just one of the bad things, your hair comes off. But the other thing too is because you are looking at the network, and this gets back to the cybersecurity thing. And again, correct me if I got this wrong, is the fact that you guys are able to sort of track, and if you see unusual activity on the network, might be a clue somebody's trying to hack your network, right?
Yeah, so we will alert you when there's changes on the network, something joins on and it has a duplicate device ID, you'll know right away, or it's sending tons and tons of traffic. So if you're getting some kind of denial of service attack, we'll know right away and we'll be able to alert you and you can go and fix it and kick them out, keep your network secure.
That's absolutely, and of course now another reason if you don't have enough to buy from Optigo already is, in case you hadn't heard, they are the NBA champions
Go
in basketball. Go Raptors! There, or go North, right?
We the North. Yeah.
We the North. We the North. Is that like a Game of Thrones thing?
I don't know.
Okay.
Maybe.
All right. Cool. All right. Well, whatever. So listen. So here's the really important thing. We want to talk to Grace about this because we are trying to attract younger people into our industry. Grace, well, you guys are both actually younger, so you've been around for a while. So I'm gonna get to you in a second.
No worries.
But Grace, what is it about the industry that interests you, and why should young people care about our industry?
Yeah, I care about this industry because buildings, everybody needs them all the time. They're never going away, and they're always changing. So it's always, in terms of Optigo, it's always good to know what you have in your buildings and what is working and why it's not working. So, yes.
Well, I think that's a cool part. The other thing that's really, really cool about it is, we talk about people wanting to save the planet. Our industry is one of the few industries that you can come in, make a huge difference, and if you got products like Optigo, you can actually document how you're saving the planet, right? So when you go to a party or whatever, you can go, I saved 1,000 trees today, and you have proof, right?
Exactly. You can use the system to actually see how you are improving over time.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's a great industry. We need people. We want you, and Grace wants you, and Monica wants you. So, all right. So, how do people get hold of you guys?
Website optigo.net, OPTIGO. You can always give us a call, or we want to hear from you.
Guys, thanks so much. Appreciate it.
So much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're natural.